up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another Moto vlog. I just had a light bulb go off in my brain, so I wanted to run it past you and you see if you guys think this would be a good series to do on the channel. So I was just thinking, like, people are always doing videos teaching you how to learn how to ride, teaching you to ride a motorcycle. Now, I don't want to do that because, now here's the reason why I wouldn't want to do that. I don't want to make a video telling people, trying to teach somebody that's not standing right in front of me how to ride a motorcycle, and then take that video, watch it, and then go out and try to do it on their own. I don't want that responsibility on me, and I do not want somebody to go out and do that and hurt themselves and then be able to come back and say, well, I watched your video and I did what you said and I still got in an accident. So, but I thought about doing a series of videos. I don't even know how many videos it would take to do it, but talking about how to keep yourself safe while you're riding, keeping yourself visible and stuff like that, like staying safe when you're out riding. So I just wanted to run that past you. It's an idea that just popped in my head. What do you guys think? I don't know how many videos I could stretch it out. I might be able to stretch it out to 3 or 4 videos probably, but let me know what you think. Is it a good idea, or is YouTube too saturated with those types of videos? I know there's a lot of people that's all they do is safety tip videos, but tell me what you think. And that's going to be it for this video. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Give me a like if you like the idea, give me a dislike if you don't like the idea. Leave me a comment and tell me it's a waste of time, or it's not a waste of time. And peace and I'm out.